Hey, what's up? It's time to dive into the best laptops of 2024. Whether you're a gamer, a creative, or just need a reliable machine for everyday tasks, I've got you covered. So let's get into it. First up, we've got the Dell XPS 13 Plus. This beauty is all about elegance and performance. With its razor-thin bezels and stunning 4K OLED display, it's a treat for the eyes. Under the hood, it's packing Intel's 14th gen processors, making it a beast for multitasking and productivity. Plus, the battery life is phenomenal, so you can work all day without needing a charger. Next, let's talk about the MacBook Pro 16-inch. Apple has really stepped up their game this year with the new M3 chip. It's insanely powerful and energy efficient. The promotion display with a 120 Hz refresh rate makes everything look buttery smooth. And for all you creatives out there, the enhanced GPU performance is a game changer for video editing and graphic design. For the gamers, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 is an absolute powerhouse. It's compact, but don't let its size fool you. Inside, it's rocking the latest AMD Ryzen 9 processor and an NVIDIA RTX 4080 GPU. This combo delivers top-notch performance for all your gaming needs. And with its adaptive sync technology, screen tearing is a thing of the past. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, the Acer Swift 3 is a solid choice. It offers great value for the price, featuring Intel's 13th gen processors and a full HD display. It's lightweight and perfect for students or anyone on the go. And the battery life? It easily lasts up to 12 hours, so you won't be scrambling for an outlet during the day. For those who need a two-in-one, the HP Spectre X 360 is a top contender. Its versatile design lets you switch between laptop and tablet mode effortlessly. The AMOLED display is vibrant and perfect for media consumption and creative work. Plus, it comes with the latest Intel Evo platform, ensuring top-notch performance and responsiveness. Lastly, let's not forget the Microsoft Surface Laptop 5. With its sleek design and powerful internals, it's a great choice for professionals. The Pixel Sense display is sharp and touch-sensitive, making it perfect for both work and play. And with the latest Windows 11 features, you'll have a seamless experience across all your devices. Alright, that's a wrap on the best laptops of 2024. Each one of these machines offers something unique, so choose the one that fits your needs best. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Remember, stay curious and keep exploring the world of tech.